Indian garment design course book is only for the women's garment, dresses, blouses, sari, petticoat, and so many things. One copy is available in 350 rupees. So syllabus course includes the history and the so many other theory part of the sewings, and 6 type of blouses, 3 types of petticoat, kurtas, 7 type of kurtas, and 4 type of shalwar and chudidar. You can see that color theory and details of the garment about the collar, darts, pleats, tucks, so many theory parts are there. Introduction of sleeve, sewing machine, about the different parts of sewing machine, name of different parts, and the troubleshooting, how to maintain your sewing machine, about the different functions of different type of foot, type of blouse you can do the drafting and stitching. This is a yoke blouse, high neck blouse, can learn different type of kurtis, plain, princess cut, A-line, multi-panel, anarkali, and kalidar kameez. Shalwar, patiala shalwar. This is a zo. Copy of book is available, so buy now. This is very useful book.